In this quick video, I am going to show you how to check your Roblox password. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So the method I am gonna show you will work on your Roblox mobile version and on your desktop Roblox version as well. So firstly, we need to minimize your Roblox app and then open settings in your mobile. Once you open it, make sure to find the option of passwords, because many times whenever we log in on any of the app from our mobile, the mobile phone automatically saved that password in your mobile's password section. So we need to open passwords from the settings, then enter your passcode and filter it to Roblox. So once you search Roblox here, you will see all of the Roblox accounts you have on your mobile. So just simply select the account which you want to see and then it will show you your password. So in case this method doesn't work for you, then you can go with the second method. For that, minimize your settings. And now this time we need to open Google Chrome, because many browsers have their inbuilt password manager option. So we need to access that. So for that, open Google Chrome and then here tap on your profile from the top right corner. Once you tap on it, now select your Google account from here. Once you select it, now select the Google account where your Roblox account is logged in. So I have this account, so I need to tap on it. After that, click on manage your Google account, and after that we need to search here and search on the search bar password. Once we search it, then you will see this password manager option. So we need to tap on it, and after that it will load a new website, and you can see I am in my password manager, but I can't see any password here because I haven't used this Google account that much. But you might find your password here. In case this method also doesn't work for you, then we need to go to the home screen and open Roblox again. Once you open Roblox, tap on the three dots and now scroll down here and tap on logout. After that, again click on logout, and this time we need to click on login, and here we need to click on forgot password or username. Once we tap on it, then it will open a new page, and here we can enter our phone number and username to forget our password or reset it, because many times we don't know our password and we can check it by forgetting our password and resetting it. So this was the third method. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.